Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Fulton, local, and long-distance movers near me. When it's time to move across the country or just a few states over, we provide the following options: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. The right long-distance movers will help you get to your destination faster and safer. We know how to make your move simple. When you're relocating across the country or a few states over, our team's ready to make the transition easier. Let us take care of the hard work for you. Choosing the right Illinois moving company means you get benefits. With professional movers, you get the right team to take care of the hard work and take it off your plate. Movers will do all the heavy lifting, and you can even be hired to do the packing and unpacking. Do you really want to spend time lifting heavy boxes, furniture, and other things when moving? 3 Movers will provide you with all the help you need during a local move. Whether it's a few miles you need to go or to the next town over, we can help. Our streamlined process gets your move completed faster. A move that might take you all weekend to complete takes us a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fulton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.